Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how order confirmation report works in resource planning. So let us go to our resource planning module. On your left hand side, you will see resource planning module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in resource planning, these are the report segment. So please check here. We have provided few of the options like basic material planning, order confirmation, OC expanded view, process detail, and finished good details. So first of all, resource planning module is used to plan your procurement or plan your orders. So how you can go ahead and do so? So let us come to order confirmation. So order confirmation report generally provide you the procurement or the entire display of the product visibility or product availability as per the BOM. So suppose if there is one of the order confirmation which I have raised, which I need to make the sales of one of the item. Now if I need to do the production, I need to check that whether that raw material is available with me or not. It will always work only with the bill of material being available. Suppose if you are in a trading industry and you are only buying or selling, so in that condition, you can select the trading option and you can generate the report. So let me go ahead and select the first order confirmation. So I selected the very first order confirmation. Now here is the store option which you can very well use to check within the store. Other than that, you can also select from creation date, delivery date, or trading option in case you are only buying and selling the product. There is no manufacturing involved, production involved. Yeah. Going below, you can select the minimum stock level as per your requirement. If you have defined the minimum stock level, it will also come into the report. Click on generate report. Once I will click on generate report, please check all the items. The very first, the finished good along with raw material will come into the report. Now, if you can see that it will provide you the in stock, how much it is, at how much rate it is, required quantity in this particular OC, and for the production block quantity, how much is blocked for another production processes. So once we create any production process and it comes into the pending stage, then after it comes into the block as well. Total order, how much have been ordered or how much have been pending for the QR, pending approval quantity to be ordered, and at which price the last was ordered. You can also go into the select columns on your left hand side and can select the columns as per your requirement. Suppose if you want to see that in which BOM it is required, in which production it is required, or in which production it is blocked. So click on blocked in and please check. Here you will get all the production orders in which this particular material is blocked. You can go ahead and download this report and can very well use it in the Excel format. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking your order confirmation report through resource planning. Have a good day ahead.